Looking for a halal cheeseburger or halal Philly cheesesteak near Disney Springs? Let Halal Food Guru be your local guide to the Orlando Halal Food Scene. Slim's Orlando PhillySteak is located just north of Disney Springs and offer an array of halal fast foods. They offer great portions and value, sure to satisfy that hunger. As an added bonus, they are open late. My favorite item is definitely the Philly cheesesteak. Be sure to let them know Halal Food Guru sent you. Check out my blog for more on the Orlando Halal Food Scene.